Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ozlumba Chisom, and on today's tutorial, we'll be looking into the AND function in Excel. The AND function in Excel, how it works is that the student should pass all the courses before the student becomes eligible for the scholarship. But if that student fail just one subject, the students will not be eligible for that scholarship. So let's get into the real work to determine if the student is eligible or not eligible for this scholarship. You're going with, okay, you double tap, going with equals to if, you double tap on if, then and, double tap on and. You make reference to the cell you want to, the first student, Annie, the math grade, which is B2, tap on it, equals to, in quotation, pass, comma, you do the same for the second grade, which is the English. Tap on it, equals to, in quotation, pass, comma, then you tap on the second subject, which is physics. You go in with equals to, in quotation, pass, comma, then you go in with the fourth subject, which is economics. You tap on it, then you go in with equals to, in quotation, pass, then you close the bracket for this, then comma, you go in with, quotation, eligible, then quotation, comma, not eligible. Yes. Then we'll close our brackets. Then this is basically all. Yes, we got it right. I'm just cross-checking if there is any mistakes in the formula. Then you press enter. It will automatically reflect. So the first student is not eligible for the scholarship because this student failed physics. This student failed just one subject in these 4 subjects. Shows that that student is not eligible for the scholarship. Then you can go ahead to, instead of doing it like one after the other, because most times you'll be working with large data sets and it's not something that you just be doing, you'll be doing one after the other. So once you do you get the first column, the first row for this student Annie. You go here to change to this kind of cross, you double tap on it and it will reflect automatically. You can see the students from Annie to Paul, they all got at least one fail in one of the subjects. The only student that got pass in the 4 subjects is Isaac. Isaac passed maths, also passed English, passed physics, and also passed economics. So Isaac is the only eligible student for the scholarship. This is how the AND function works. Just like the OR function is the student should have at least one pass. But the AND function, the student must pass all the subjects before the student becomes eligible for the scholarship. So thank you guys, and if you have any comment or any questions concerning this tutorial, please do well to leave it on the comment section. I will be answering all the questions. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in case I post my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.